Welcome to the channel. See the problem. Find the direction cosines of two lines which are connected by the relations L minus 5m plus 3n equals 0 and 7l square plus 5m square minus 3n square equals 0. Easy. Here first you can take this line. Given L minus 5m plus 3n equals to 0. This implies L equals to, this goes to right side, 5m minus 3n, that is number 1. Next, 7l square plus 5m square minus 3n square equals to 0. This is number 2. These are two equations. L equals to 5m minus 3n. Yes. Substitute L value into. Simple. By substituting the L value in 2, we get, substitute the value, 7 into L square 5m minus 3n whole square, yes, plus 5m square minus 3n square equals to 0. Simply I am substitute the value of L in the place of L, that's all. Now 7 into 25m square plus 9n square minus 30mn, a square plus b square minus 2ab, yes, plus 5m square minus 3n square equals to 0. Expand this. What is the value? 175 m square plus 63n square minus 210 mn plus 5m square minus 3n square equals to 0. Yes. Now m square 180 m square 210 mn minus 210 mn 63 plus minus 3 60 n square equals to 0. 180 210 60. Now we can divide throughout the equation by 30. Divide by 30. What do you get? 6 minus 7 mn minus 2n square equals to 0. 6m square 7 mn plus 2n square equals to 0. Now factorize this. 6 into 2 equals to 12. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. But minus 4 into minus 3 is nothing but plus 12. 6 into 12, this one. And minus 4 minus 3 minus middle one. That is the process in mathematics during factorization. Okay. 6m square minus 4mn minus 3mn plus 2n square equals to 0. 2m 3m minus 2n minus n common 3m minus 2n equals to 0. Why? Because 2n square this one, minus minus plus. Now take this one, 3m minus 2n 2m minus n equals to 0. Consider this one is n1, m1, n1, this one as m2, n2. Okay. 3m1 minus 2n1 equals to 0. 2m2 minus n2 equals to 0. This one is n1, this one 2. Now 3m1 equals to 2n1. This goes to right side. m1 by 2 equals to n1 by 3. This is number 4 equation. Here also, if this goes to right side, 2m2 equals to n2. m2 by what is the multiple of n2? 1 divided is equals to n2 divided by 2. This goes to right side in denominator. Okay, this is number 5. Now we want L value. To find L value, you can substitute these values in number 1 equation. Now take case 1. Case 1 means take this m1, n1. L equals to 5m minus 3n. This is number 1 equation, you know that. Okay? From 4. m1 equals to 2n1 by 3. 2 into n1 by 3. Now what is this? L1, m1, n1. m1 substitute in the place of m1 as 2n1 by 3. L1 equals to 5 into 2n1 divided by 3 minus 3n1. Okay? 10 n1 by 3 minus 3n. What is the LCM? 3. 10 n1 minus 9 n1. What do you get? n1 by 3. L1 this one. By default, the number is 1. L1 by 1, n1 by 3. Okay. L1 equals to this one, m1 equal to this one. Therefore, L1 by 1, m1 by 2, n1 by 3. Direction ratios of the line are 1, 2, 3. Okay? These are direction ratios. Direction cosines. Direction cosines of the line are simple. 1 by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square equals to root 14. Yes, 5 plus 9. Okay, 14. 2 by root 14. 3 by root 14. These are the direct cosines of the line. Case 2. Take m2 by 1, n2 by 2. From 1, from L2 equals to 5m2 minus 3n2. This implies n2 equals to 2m2, n2 equal to 2m2. Now L2 equals to 5m2 minus 3 into n2 means 2m2. Okay? 5 m2 minus 6 m2. This is L2. L2 equals to minus m2. Minus L2 by 1 equals to m2 by 1. See here, m2 by 1 equals to n2 by 2. From 5, m2 by 1 equals to n2 by 2. Therefore, L minus L2 by 1 equals to m2 by 1 equals to n2 by 2. n2 by 2. Therefore, direction ratios of the line are -1, 1, 2. Okay? Hence, direction cosines of the line are simply, here also you can take 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is root 6, you know, a square, b square, c square. Now minus 1 by root 6, 1 by root 6, 2 by root 6. These are direction cosines. Therefore, direction cosines of the two lines are 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14. Minus 1 by root 6, 1 by root 6, 2 by root 6. This is the required answer. Okay? In this way you can do the problem. This is a very important problem. Practice this. Remember carefully. Guys, thanks for watching Math YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.